What is up, you guys? It is me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shannon, and thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. So today I am super excited about what I'm about to do. So I've gone a lot in the past that I look like Jamie Chung, and if you don't know who that is, she is an American actress, Asian American actress. Before you guys come and attack me, because I know some of you are going to be like, oh my god, you don't look like her, like she's stunning, gorgeous. Yeah, I know. I also do not agree that I look like her, but I've gotten so many comments that people are like,
oh my god, you look like her, or you look like a younger version of her.
Something along those lines. And I thought it'd be fun to do my makeup inspired by one of her pictures and see how much I actually do look like her. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I obviously have to tie my hair back into a ponytail. But the look that I'm doing today, I will put it on the screen right here, also requires, like, I think it's either a low bun or a low ponytail. So I don't really care about denting my hair at all. But yeah, also guys, I have been so stressed with school lately that my face hates me. Like, I'm breaking out everywhere, so my skin isn't the clearest right now, but we're gonna make this work. So first, we're gonna go in with this primer right here. I'm not a beauty guru, so I cannot. Oh my god. Yeah, so it is this Professional primer by Benefit. I have been using the Professional primer by Benefit for many years now, and it has worked the best. Honestly, sometimes I don't even know, like, I feel like primer just kind of like protects my skin from like all the makeup I'm gonna put on it, but honestly I don't really know what primer does. Like, I know it's supposed to like, yeah, like hide your pores and stuff, but like I don't really know, you know. But I just use it because it makes my makeup look a little bit better. So if we can get that, then 100% we are gonna do that. Okay, so obviously with quarantine and everything, a lot of stores haven't been open, and I haven't gotten the chance to go and get new makeup. So a lot of the makeup I'm gonna use today is like literally almost running out. I know I need to get new makeup, but we're just gonna make do with what we got for today. So I got this foundation from Target. I've never used it before. It's by Maybelline. It's called Dream Radiant, and I didn't even know what shade I was in it. I just literally guessed, and it's kind of close, but it is kind of a little bit too dark for my skin. No, it's not even too dark. It kind of makes my skin look more pink. Does that make sense? Like, so I'm not really the biggest fan of it, but so we got. So we're gonna use it. I also have a little bit left of my old stick foundation. This one is by Makeup Forever. It's the Ultra HD foundation stick in the shade Y325. But it is this right here. This is what I was currently using before it ran out, but there's still like a little bit left, so I'm just gonna use whatever I got to mix it with this foundation. Literally nothing left in this stick, so I've been taking my finger and putting it on like chapstick, like on my face, because I can't like put it directly on my face anymore. So, you know, and I'm not gonna waste it because this thing was expensive. Haven't gotten the chance to get a new one, but yeah, but I probably am soon because this is getting a little bit sad. How have you guys been though? Like, I don't know, like I feel like for school a lot of us are like in such different stages. Like, some of us like already graduated, some of us like finished school, some of us are still going to school. Like, I know for UC systems, we're quarter system, so we are in week 7 right now, which means we have like 3 more weeks until we get out of school and finals and everything. But I know a lot of like Cal State schools and community colleges, I think, are already done with school, so, or they're in finals week right now. And if that's you, good luck. I know you're gonna do amazing. You are great. But yeah, for those of you who don't know, I am currently a freshman at UC Irvine, and I am still in my freshman year, almost finished. Like, does anyone feel like with online school they give you more work than like normal school? Like, a lot of the assignments that I had to do this quarter as opposed to last quarter, I felt like it was a lot of busy work. Like, I wasn't even learning. I was just doing the assignments to get it done, which is really bad. But it's just so hard to like find motivation and everything, especially with quarantine and like literally staying at home all the time. I just have a really hard time getting motivated, and I know that's probably the case with a lot of people as well. But if that's not you and you're being super motivated and productive during this quarantine, good for you. I definitely want to be more productive, but I don't know, like I'm trying my best, but honestly, like I don't really know. Wow, my face looks so white. I think I put on too much concealer, but oh well, it's fine. See that Jamie Chung, she has more of like a straight eyebrow, so that is what I'm gonna try to do. Oh, I guess that's kind of it. I don't know. Why does it look like that? Hello, okay, let's see, okay. I kind of got it. I mean, that's kind of how you do it, right? Okay, anyways, so I'm doing my contour with the Pro Glow palette, nothing special. I'm gonna do the powder stuff. I don't even know what it's called. This like powder stuff right here. I'm gonna go in with it. Try my best to copy this. Also, this makeup look was probably done by a professional, and so probably not gonna be able to get this right, but you know, I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so I kind of got just the basic eyeshadow going, just like a pink moment, but yeah, I think that's what is gonna be, because I feel like the eyeliner is gonna basically cover all of it up, so there's no point in like spending forever on it. Okay, now it's time for the scary part. Dun dun dun! And today I'm gonna be using the NYX eyeliner. Okay, so I think this is good, right? Don't answer that. I know it's horrible, but okay, so this is the best I can do. So hopefully this eyeliner is okay. I mean, it's definitely not as good as Jamie's in the pictures, but you know what? That's all I got. So yep, so we're gonna work with that. Is that I like putting on that like Kiko primer mascara first, and then letting it dry, and then curling my eyelashes, and then going in and putting on my actual mascara. I feel like that works a lot better than curling your eyelashes before and then putting it all on. I used to do that, but I think it works better like if you put it on, curl it, and then put on more mascara. So but like yeah, it works so good. So I just use this compact mirror all the time, and I take it with me everywhere. Okay, so time for a high ponytail. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. On a side note, have you guys listened to Kalani's new album yet? It's very good. Very, very good. I 10 out of 10 recommend it, and you should listen to it right now if you haven't already. All her hair is very slick back, so I'm gonna go hairspray it, and I will be right back. Okay, so I secured the flyaways as much as I could to get a slick back ponytail. It's not exactly how her picture has it, but you know, we're gonna work with it. So okay, so now comes the tricky part. I'm gonna try taking a selfie at the same angle and everything as hers and see if I look the same. So yeah, her selfie is literally like so effortless and like so perfect. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna figure it out. She tilts her head more downward.
5 hours later.
Okay, y'all, after 5 hours of taking selfies, I just don't look good. Like, I look ugly, so I couldn't really even get a good selfie that like is at the same angle as hers. So I might just put like videos of myself in and like hopefully it'll look the same. But yeah, I tried my best, but I've been trying to take selfies, y'all, and like I don't really think they look that good. So I just post whatever pictures I have on here. But that's about it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to please give it a big thumbs up. You can follow me on all of my social media. My Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are all at ShannonXMANO. I hope you guys still continue to stay safe and be healthy. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!